Okay guys, alam na natin kung anong gawin natin.
Saan ba na-unleash yung baboy?
Doon sa closet banda, doon sa may...
I'm finished eating.
Guys. Dito banda, so...
Begalag ako.
Oh my god!
Let's go, George.
Walang hiya, bastos! Guys.
Oh my god! Get me out of here!
Guys, ano nangyayari dyan?
What is going on? You guys, this is so horrifying.
The
Saan
pig
ang
is right
statue?
there. Core statue nandun sa ano,
Nabasag, I mean,
Sa
nasira yung
closet.
closet.
Saan nilagay?
Dito sa bahay, dito sa bahay. Ano ilagay doon sa ano, unang-unang
Guys.
unang shelf doon. Ah, what the hell? Namatay ako.
Saan nila, anong gagawin guys? Just gonna follow Mary around. Mary, what can you say about the situation?
Ha?
What can you say about this situation? Like
About
what we're
what?
currently going through. Can I go in here?
Ba't mo pinapasok?
Ay, di ba siya makapasok pala? Oh.
Saan kayo namatay?
Dun
Sa
sa
ano,
spawn
sa
point.
start. Pinapasok ni Zaylas. Cat statue lang naiwan, guys.
Saan ba yung cat statue?
Nakay sino yung cat statue?
Sa akin, distract mo yung pig, be.
Marinig ko lang yung paghahasa kay Mary.
Nandito na go.
Mary, did you die? Was that you? I heard somebody like getting mutilated. Oh my god, you guys. Whoever that is, stay away from the spawn point. Oh my god. That was bad. Oh my god. The way that you can just hear the noises.
By the way, I got a shoe. Ano nagawa niya sa shoe?
Tapon mo sa pig. Guys, who is being chased?
Tara na, stairs tayo.
Okay.
Di ba yan?
Did Mary just get mutilated? Oh my god, you guys, I made it.
Uy, ang lag.
Wait, antayin mo natin si Mary before tayo magbaba talaga. Mary,
Saan si
we're
Mary?
waiting for you. We're rooting for you. Sira talaga yung odor dito. The, the shock and the scare when I turned around to my side to see the pig next to me. You guys, you have no idea how horrifying that was. Mary, you have no idea how horrifying that was. What I went through.
May nahanap kayo na coin?
Yeah, tatlo.
Sarap na.
Wait lang, guys. Ganap pa ako ng ibang coin.
Pasok ako dyan, Yui, o tara dito tayo punta. May ipakita ko sa'yo dito. Yung monster na sinasabi ko sa nung first place.
Okay, let me see. Baka wala. Oh yeah, what the hell is that?
Exactly.
Saan kayo?
So, downstairs na.
Ewan ko anong ganap dyan. Baka yun.
You mean what the hell is that?
Look at that horse.
Saan?
Oh, that's normal.
It looked like a wolf. Dito.
Saan?
May cutscene yun. Wala na. Wala na yung cutscene.
But it's okay, na-record ko yung cutscene.
Tara, lockpick natin yung star.
Sige, tara. Sa taas?
Wait lang, mag-ano pa ako. Galag ako. Wait lang.
Saan ba yung ina-lockpick, Yui?
I'm gonna buy a lockpick.
Yeah, but saang door yung ila-lockpick mo?
Can be used to open cardboard boxes. Okay.
Ang lockpick?
No, I got a box cutter.
I see. Kailangan talaga ng box cutter pang open ng cardboard boxes. Can't you just use your bare hands?
There you go. Kaya pala, di tayo progress. Wala kayo nagkuha ng box cutter.
Ay, saan ba? Tayo makukuha.
Ano?
Nandito lang yun. May nagkuha ng box cutter last round. Wala lang ano.
Sino kayo nakakuha?
Ako yan nakuha.
Wala yung ginamit.
Wala man sinasabi na where I can use.
Nakalagay kaya doon, can be used to open boxes.
Ano
Ano
nangyari?
yung time, guys?
14. 14:35.
2:35.
2:35.
Wait lang. 4, 5.
Go, guys.
Hanap pa ako ng ibang box.
All 14 is...
Wala na yan. May bahay, oh. Yan, oh.
Ituloy na si Gio. Pwede siya nagputo si Gio.
Mary, nag-submit ka ba sa ng family picture niyo?
What?
Did you submit a family picture?
Tapos na.
Okay.
May boxes pa dun sa taas. I'm gonna check.
Good luck sa pig. Don't get mutilated.
Oh my God.
Ayan, tapos na.
Did
Ano
something
nakuha niyo?
I heard something open. Baka yun yung door dun sa labas. Check daw natin. Wala.
Sanang lock. May isang lock.
Ano, it's either doon din sa ID ko.
Laundry key man daw.
Baka doon sa labas, oh. Dito banda, mga dito. Or upstairs, doon sa locked door.
Taas guys, tara.
I have 25 bullets. I mean, 25 ammo.
Wala ko ammo. Oh my god, guys.
Run, 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 run.
Close ko yung door.
Wow.
Oh my god, Yui.
Wala man. Wait lang.
Doon, hindi doon. Hindi doon sa baba eh.
No, Binader.
Dito oh, sa door na may thing.
Here. Gagi, hindi dyan. Spider lang hinahanap. Laundry key.
Eh di doon sa other door.
A few laundry written on the tab.
Hindi siya dito,
Hindi dito?
Mary. Mary, try mo daw dito. Mary, over
I'm
here.
sorry, dude. I thought you were one of the brothers
O,
for a
diba
second
dito
there.
lang?
Dude, you have no idea how good it feels to see another person's face who's not trying to kill me. Listen, I'm in the same situation as you right now, dude. And we don't have a lot of time.
Oh my god.
There, the garden. That's our best way out of here. They've like chained off the whole porch, but there's a door over there.
Our best way out of here.
I saw the brothers with the
Like
key
chained
not
off
too
the
long
whole
ago.
porch.
Well,
But
I'd
there's a
say
door
the
over
kid
there.
was a big success. You really
Not
should
too
trust
long
my
ago.
ideas more
Well,
often.
I'd say
You weren't the one that had to catch it.
really should trust my ideas
Find
more
out
often.
why the dumb one with the
That
baseball
had to
cap.
catch it.
He got away. I noticed the
Another
clock's
guy?
been open, so they've
The
gotten
dumb one with the baseball
But
cap.
don't worry, he'll turn up eventually.
I noticed the clock's been open, so they've got this.
What happened?
Oh my god.
Pare,
What are we supposed to do? Why didn't we just shoot them? Right there, right then and there.
It's crazy. Wait lang, nawala gamit ko. Okay, never mind.
guys, anong purpose ng laundry key, guys?
Ito lang yan. Ito daw oh.
Saan?
I found
Never
it
mind. Where did they go?
somewhere. Ano to? Ano to?
How adorable.
Wait guys, merong poem na parang clue. In the morning, the lion looked to the east where the sun shone bright. In the afternoon, the lion treaded north along the riverbank, hoping to catch a meal before the night. In the evening, the lion headed south, looking for a place to rest under the soft moonlight.
Guys, there's something here. Tara.
Baka itong
Pasok ka
lion
dyan.
to.
What the Uy! 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 Uy!
Mary, what did you do?
What did
Pasok,
you
pasok,
guys
pasok.
do?
Close the door.
Guys, guys ba?
What did you guys do?
Guys! Guys, I'm dead.
What did you guys do?
Buksan niyo! What else wrong with you?
What is that thing? Oh my god. What is that?
Bakit dalawa?
Guys, my camera is broken.
What is that thing?
Bakit dalawa?
Ano ka, nandito pa talaga tayo nag-spawn. Makaabot sila dito eh.
I was
Baka
so
patayin.
confused kung bakit may isa pa nag-spawn behind Xylas.
Baka itira mo daw. May gun ka bit. Yui
Wait
behind
lang.
you. Never mind. That is insane.
Si Mary, come here. It's still there. It's still there.
There is something behind, guys. So, punta din nata dito.
Guys, sila camera guys.
Yui sa likod mo. Never mind, wala pala. Oh my god, si Mary. Ba't ang dami?
Ano mo ang purpose ng guns natin hindi gagana?
My camera, bro.
Ano man yan? Ba't dito tayo spawn?
Hindi sila namamatay, Yui.
Hindi man yan sila mamatay. What's the point?
Mary. Makalakat pa siya dito.
Wala lang. Wala na tayo safe space.
True. Tapos may
Wala si
baboy pa
Mary.
dito.
Ano ba?
Hindi magpunta ganyan siya dito. Oh my god. Uy, bakit siya nandiyan? Dapat may safe zone. Si Mary.
Nandyan pa siya, be. Nandyan sa vending machine.
Mas spawn kill gana yun si Mary. Ay, pabalik na siya. Ano kayo?
Ano, gaakyat. Ay.
Ayoko masak sa baboy.
Si Mary.
Mamatay na yan siya, tarado mo. Alam ka, ang dami lang ang problema.
Oh.
Singgigo, ang dami na nating problema dito, guys. Uy, yung poem kasi, meron yung poem doon. Dalawa. Maka-open pa talaga sa door. Maka-open pa talaga sila ng door.
Guys, I killed it. Namatay sila.
Sure, on. Guys,
Ay, inside.
Namatay sila, guys. I killed it. I killed one.
Sino namatay?
The cow. Mamatay sila, guys.
May nakuha akong handgun ammo. I'm ready. Mamatay sila, may dalawa pa doon. Tara.
Ano dalawa? I killed one cow.
Is that even a cow?
Yeah, di ba? I walked into one. What the hell?
Mary, tara dito.
Oo, dalawa sila, be. What the hell? Tatlo sila. I killed two. And then may isa pa.
Close mong door, Mary. Mary, ang door.
Yeah, this one is
Mary.
still dead.
No, Mary. No, Mary.
Go.
5 ammo lang natira, guys.
Ito, may ammo pa ako.
5 bullets lang naiwan sa akin, guys.
Ito,
And then
telephone.
wala na akong reload. Hi, guys.
Ito, na-drop ko sa likod mo.
Oh my god.
Matay ni si Zayden.
Hindi ako dito ammo.
I got it. Spider key. Spider key. Spider gang.
Nakuha mo na, Yui.
Tara, basan tayo.
I took like a glass bottle. Baka magamit siya ngayon. Bye. Goodbye. Never mind, I killed it.
Tara, explore tayo.
Tara, tara. Dira tayo, spider key.
O, dyan banda.
Sana kayo, guys.
Ano ba banda dito? Hindi Jackson.
Gamitin ba natin yung ano, yung lockpick doon sa dito sa chest, oh. Dalawa siya.
Probably.
So, this is it. Never to type dive. Nowhere.
Guys, I'm gonna open the door now.
Go.
Diba sabi mo,
Ano
Yui,
naman
may
kayang
glass?
problema ang nandito?
Ha?
It's
Glass
dead.
box.
I don't
Never
know.
mind. It's not.
Why is it waking up? Play Queen. I see them too.
Inside.